How to log in to Crumbl account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to the Crumbl account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Crumbl. And now here, once you are on the result page, simply click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of Crumbl. So here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the menu icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply click on sign in button and after that, you'll be logged in to the sign in page. Now here, on the first text field, simply enter your first and last name and here once you're done entering your first and last name, simply click on the second text field and here simply enter your mobile phone number. And now here, once you're done entering your phone number, simply click on send confirmation code button and after that, the code will be sent to your phone number. So here, you can simply enter the code that have been sent to your phone number and after that you'll be simply logged in to your account and that's it. That's how you can log in to the Crumbl account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.